FAW Jiefang Qingdao Automobile Company Limited is an important production base of Jiefang brand trucks. With experience of over 40 years in R&D and manufacturing of trucks, products have been selling in the whole domestic market and have been exporting to over 40 foreign countries and regions. The accumulated production and sales quantity have gone far beyond 1 million, and the FAW Qingdao has become a leading truck manufacturer in China. The medium and heavy trucks Dragon, J5M and new J5P series are very popular with customers for superior quality, establishing excellent image in the market. To meet more extensive needs, FAW Qingdao launches the light truck strategy while expanding market of medium and heavy trucks, attracted by the potentiality of light-duty trucks, and supported by the FAW R&D and technological resources. FAW Qingdao focuses on the leading market and successfully launches Tiger V light-duty trucks through repeated research and tests as well as long-term efforts. Tiger V realizes revolutionary upgrade in terms of power, chassis, operation, and comfortableness, refreshing many performance records of medium and high-end light-duty truck products in China, which contributes to the excellent quality of Tiger V light-duty trucks. Tiger V adopts the currently popular small inclination appearance, clean, fashionable, and grand, to effectively reduce wind resistance and energy consumption. Popular design elements are introduced to the front face of the truck, streamlined and strong. The truck is manufactured by all steel molds and the production technologies have reached leading level in China. Tiger V cabin designed with internationally leading design concept, fashionable, artistic, and grand. 1,995 mm wide, roomy and comfortable. The interior trims are of introverted but progressive style. The panel is fashionable and elegant, making the best of panel, providing many compartments in various sizes, which are within the reach and providing users with the most considerate driving enjoyment. Hainan National Automobile Test Field is the only humid tropics comprehensive automobile test base in China. It has the first annular tracks for speed performance tests in China and has various tracks of 30 types in 18 categories for reliability tests. It is a base designated by national automobile authorities for certification tests and quality inspection of all new automobile products in China. Tiger V has equipped popular engine in China which is mature, reliable, eco-friendly and can reach the Euro 3 emission standard and meet needs of different users in various regions. The truck body of Tiger V is made by all steel molds and optimized in the strengths and width of its chassis so as to achieve larger load space. In addition, the core assembly of the truck works on high-quality products in China and has extensive options available. The truck adopts front and rear axles with high-quality gearbox, which makes it mature and big-loaded. While the design can effectively improve load capacity of the truck, it also ensures sufficient driving power, reliability, and safety of the whole truck, decrease fuel consumption, and make maintenance easier. The design helps to realize the extraordinary load capacity of Tiger V and will surely create more wealth for customers. comparison with the test data against the standard reference, the acceleration performance of Tiger V under full load is 20% higher than the industrial standard, and at the same time the fuel consumption is 8 to 15% lower, and the load capacity is 15% higher than the standard level in the industry. In terms of safety, Tiger V has its unique advantages. It adopts air brakes and firstly uses 4-circuit brake protection technology, which makes the braking distance shorter and parking safer. In comparison of test data against the standard reference, the braking distance of Tiger V under full load is 18% shorter than the reference. Tiger V adopts high chairs and super large rear view mirrors, helping to increase vision of driver and eliminate blind areas. In addition, Tiger V is equipped with power steering system and front and rear shock absorbers, which makes steering flexible and smooth and improves the safety in driving, so that the user can cope with emergency situations easily, and design can ensure effective braking of the truck under all situations and protects the safety of both the driver and the vehicle. Tiger V successfully passes the extremely strict tests of 30,000 kilometers at Hainan National Automobile Test Field, and tests under dozens of road conditions and the qualification under extreme climate conditions such as high temperature, high humidity, and salt fog. Tiger V is manufactured by strict development and production procedures and passes the complete road tests, and is presented to its end users with 100% safety. Based on the key indicators of Tiger V, including power performance, passability, braking performance, reliability, environmental suitability, driving comfortableness, and load capacity, which are all sufficiently verified at Hainan National Automobile Test Field. We believe Tiger V is a good truck with safety, comfortableness, energy saving, and high efficiency. Before a Tiger V is delivered to the end user, it must accept 100% before sale inspection. The warranty period is 24 months or 200,000 kilometers, which are the highest among similar products of nature in China. So end users can purchase and use our products without worries. Excellent quality makes extraordinary enjoyment. Tiger V makes your transportation more effective and paves a highway to your fortune and happy lives. Jiefang Tiger V, expert of short-distance transportation in cities and countryside. Qingdao Light Truck has blue blood, and Tiger V makes a new power in industry.